This is Ficus lyrata, the Fiddle Leaf Fig, a great statement houseplant that I love. It's got these large, leathery, oval-shaped leaves and adds height to my houseplant collection. Fiddle leaf figs love sunlight, so put this plant in a bright sunny spot in your home. Because it loves light, you may find it starts to lean towards the window. Keep rotating it once every month or so to keep it growing straight. Also, as a tropical plant, this plant prefers a warm, humid spot. Don't locate it next to air conditioning, radiators, or drafty areas. As most UK homes are not sufficiently humid, misting its leaves daily will keep it happier. Make sure to keep the leaves clean from dust and dirt. The leaves will start to suffocate and struggle to photosynthesize if they're left dusty. Let the soil dry out between waterings and only water it when the top of the potting compost feels dry to the touch. Make sure you don't overwater this plant, as it will suffer from root rot. Prune your fiddle leaf fig in spring to encourage the plant to branch out and get bushy. Remember to wear gloves when you prune it, because the sap can irritate your skin and causes allergic reactions in some people. Feed the plant every 3 to 4 weeks during spring through early autumn with liquid houseplant feed diluted to 50% strength. Stop feeding this plant from October to January. From February to March, dilute the feed even more with water. When grown in bright sunlight, fiddle leaf figs will grow fast and have aggressive root systems. Repot your fiddle leaf fig every year into a wider, deeper pot. Keep increasing the size of the pot each year until the plant is the desired size, then simply replace the top few inches of potting compost annually. To find other great houseplants for your home and more information on how to look after them, visit the RHS advice page.